to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino rice, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino. Let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion. Screens light up. Holy mochaccino. Target tag. Cash flow.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Good chart. What is going on? Eric Graham, Wild, JLF, Alex Berlin, Josh Albasti from Louisiana. Oh, you're having a great day. Dustin Lowry, Maximus, Sean Hazel. Let's get it, everyone. Let's slay this market left, right, and center. I do expect a lot of volatility coming into today, guys. Holy, it's gonna be a wild day, guys. Get ready with coffee. QT attack. Alex, Life Bukar. Gold is on fire. I'll be happy with $300. Our fellow traders will start in about a few minutes, guys. Thanks for being here as well.
Shots moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in.
Oh yeah, let me just get that fixed as well right now. My apologies, everybody. I'll get that fixed. Also have to set up my giveaway too here today, guys. It's gonna be a Take Profit Trader account, a giveaway. I'll share the link once again. Here is the Discord link, everybody, my fellow traders. All right, fellow traders, just give me 1 minute. I'm setting it up as we speak.
Yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion. That's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the code. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion. That's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move.
All right, fellow traders, I am back. Thank you guys for your patience. How was everybody's week? Sean Hazel, glad to have you back. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you guys for being here too. Nick, you're on an 8-day probation. Paulie, $50 for 5 days, which I did using 1 mini, 1 micro. Are you having any issues, Paul? Sounds like you're doing the right thing. Jessica, what up? Back in eval jail. Yeah. Did you get a cut? Yes, I did. Yeah, I did a cut. Look at the spread on the gold. It's 100 points. Let's take a look at the gold. Looks gold. Of course, we hit the bottom here. I mean, we went all the way down to 47, and now we're just trying to get a little bit of a bounce, right? So kind of expect to see a little bounce maybe in the gold unless looks a little more bullish. I would say this is on a 1 hour chart too. Holy. So let's just go back to the 50 minutes chart here. Yeah, the VWAP right at the 50.90. Let's see guys, we get a bounce on the gold. Slightly bearish on an intraday standpoint on the NQ, so we're gonna have to kind of wait and see now how this thing kind of plays out on a NQ. Yeah, NQ, this maybe, let's see guys. I mean, I may try to short the pop on a bounce back into the VWAP. If we continue pulling back here guys, depending on the strength on a pullback here, I may try to add, well, I may try to get into the short position on a pullback and look for that follow through extended move here to the downside. We'll see guys right at the open. We've got a few more minutes to go. It's gonna be a pretty interesting night, right? We got a lot of news coming out, of course, around the globe. We've got Iran. I think that's probably the biggest one for now to start the week, guys. Iran news is definitely a big catalyst that's gonna move the market up and down. I am kind of assuming right now the crude oil may be up pretty nicely. We may try to get a nice little gap to the upside on the crude oil. I don't know about the gold. Gold may try to get a little bounce, but NQ has definitely that pressure right at the start. We got a lot of bad news, right? Got government shutdown, like you said, Jessica just said it nicely. A potential government shutdown. We got a potential Iran war, instability in the Middle East, and I don't know, man. There's just too many news that come on the weekend that makes me kind of believe that we may have a little bit of a selling pressure kind of step into this market here during the Globex, guys. We'll find out. Right, let's not try to guess where it's gonna go. We'll wait for the open. We'll see how it kind of plays out, guys. I'm gonna try and short the pop, and depending on the selling pressure at the start of the day, I may try to get into the short position and ride the short, or if the selling pressure obviously kind of fades and we get to a little bit of a bounce and find some footing in this market, I will try to long on a pullback. So we'll see, guys. I'm gonna be playing that the range, and my range is right at the VWAP here at the top at 780, and then also down would be into obviously the it's a pretty wide range, to be honest. Hold on one second, guys. My range would be 690 and 690 to 570. That will be my range I'm gonna be playing. I'm just gonna draw a little box here. Right, 680 here. We'll wait and see how this thing kind of opens. And we also have the initial low that would be at 560. 580. Okay, and then 680. That's a 100-point range. So I'm gonna wait and see how this thing kind of plays. I am gonna try to short if we try to get a little bit of a gap to the upside, and that kind of fades down. And depending on the selling pressure kind of stepping in, if we get to the downside, if the selling pressure is kind of heavy, then I'm gonna look to short on a pop to look for that further continuation down. Right, this is how it's gonna be. Or we could also get something like this, a big fierce pullback here, and then maybe a straight bounce, guys. We'll see, guys. Right, oh, the market's open now. The market's open, guys.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went long on a pullback here. With one micro, because I'm trading micro. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading here tonight. It's gonna be very volatile, in my opinion. Paul, Anthony, what is going on, man? Mel, how? Hi, 555. Experiment, what is up? Cooley, LC. Everybody, welcome, guys. Great to see y'all back here on a Sunday night. All right, not an aggressive sell-off, right? I mean, we had a little bit of a pullback here. We're down about 0.5%, guys, down about 150 points. So It's a 0.5% pullback. We're pulling back a little more, guys. Very interesting looking candles. Everybody. Holy mochaccino. Guys, also, we gotta not forget, there is that diplomatic solution too in Iran, okay? So not necessarily we're just going to a war right now. We got a lot of fake news as well in the market, by the way. So let's just try to make sure that we're not falling into a trap. I went with 1 micro, kind of trying to test the water here. I'm gonna be looking for that, let's say, yeah, I've got enough room. I'll, yeah, 1 micro. I'll try to scale in to my long position here on a pullback. We're down, guys. Down 1%.
Order filled. Order filled.
Right, guys, I got stop here. My stop at the initial low, 417. Yeah, if this ends up getting a pullback, then I'll be out of my trade. The dollar is up, yeah. Let's take a look at the gold, guys. I completely forgot about the gold. Gold. Let's take a look at the gold. Wow, the gold is 2.5% to the upside, guys. Somebody called it here today. Gold getting a nice little bounce, guys, to the upside. 130 points bounce. I wonder what the silver is doing, guys. John Newton, thanks, brother. Thank you so mucho. Silver is up 6%. Back into $82. Oh my goodness. Alright, guys, we are getting a little bounce. I'm with 3 contracts here. I'm gonna be placing my stop at the break, sorry, not at the break even, at the initial low of the session of the day, 431, guys. Wow, look at the bounce in the gold, guys. Incredible mochaccino. Alright, so the VWAP right at the 490. We got a little rejection of the level, guys. We could see a little pullback here, for all you know. Because I may try to scale into this position here. Hold on 1 second, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit. I pressed the wrong button. Oh my god. Oh well.
Order filled.
Good. Oh well. Oh, I got filled. Okay. 2? That's weird. I put 3, but 2 got filled.
Order filled.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna have 4 contracts. I added some more here. We'll place a hard stop. 460.
Order filled.
Down to 3. Alright, I'll see that trade.
Order filled. Order
Alright,
filled.
guys, I exited that trade. 1 second, guys. I've got something up. Yeah, it looks a little weak. So the gold also getting a little pullback here, guys, alongside, of course, the NQ.
Order filled.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna.
Order filled.
Well, it looks a little weak, guys. No. What is it gonna be, guys? Are we gonna get a pullback here? I'm trading. This looks like a little rejection off that VWAP, guys. It's gotta get very interesting. The final countdown in the house. Cococini, yo! Cococini in the house. Heyo! I like the name Cococini. All right, guys, we get a little pullback here. Rejection. I'm gonna have to exit this trade.
Order filled.
This is definitely getting very interesting, guys. We're also getting a pullback in the silver. I don't know if you guys saw my video that I made a little bit earlier today. I don't know, it looks a little weak, guys. I mean, I may try to short this bad boy right now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's try to play.
Order filled. Order
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted.
All right, let's see if we get a little pullback, guys. I mean, that rejection off the VWAP there, not a great looking one. Let's see how much of a bounce we get. Oh dear.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
I went short, guys, for, I would say, my average about 457 now. The gold looks like it's trying to get a bounce. NQ still looks weak, guys. I mean, we may try to get a little bit of a dead cat bounce, but I mean, not looking that rosy at the moment, guys. Alright, guys, I'm down to 4 contracts now. Trying to get, yeah, I went short, guys. I went short. Let's do a little bit of a Fibonacci here if I could. So the gold obviously getting a bounce. I'm gonna take one more off.
Order filled.
Order canceled.
3.
Order submitted.
Everybody, welcome back, guys. Thank you, everybody, for taking your time to hop into the stream. A great Sunday afternoon, guys. Let's try to have some fun. The market definitely very volatile, right? The market already down almost 1%, guys. Why? Meanwhile, wow, what a beautiful trade on that bad boy, guys. Holy mochaccino. I like it, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna do, of course, we got Take Profit Trader 50K account giveaway happening here today. Let's try to have some fun, guys. I'm gonna turn on the entries so you guys can go ahead and type in !Tiger, obviously to give yourself a ticket, a chance to participate on our beautiful, humble giveaway here tonight, guys. We'll call out the winner at about 350 likes. If you got a few seconds of your time, please do not forget to smash the like, guys, everybody. I really appreciate it. You know, I really appreciate it. Thank you, everybody, for your support to the stream. Truly means the world, guys. Thank you, everybody. Mochaccino. Whew. I'm gonna start the giveaway, guys. All right, I opened the entries. Good luck, everybody. And once again, do not forget to smash the like never before, everybody. Never ever before. All right, guys, we are getting a nice little mochaccino pullback here, which is great. I like that. I like that, guys. Let's try to see if we can get a little bit of a follow through here down. All right, guys, we called it a nice entry there on the short side. I really like what I did. Really like what I did, guys. Amazing mochaccino. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit my trade right here, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Could have been a better one, but I mean, and the gold's pulling back. That kind of put me to, okay, well, let me just take a little step back, guys. We're getting a pullback in the gold. We're getting a pullback in the silver. What else? And of course, I'm kind of assuming the Bitcoin's also getting a pullback. I'm not, yeah, see, there we go. Well, yeah, Bitcoin down 10%. Oh, baby, guys, the Bitcoin down about 10%. Gold down about, I don't know, whatever. It was up like 2%. It's down to 0.5% now. Literally giving everything back. Feel the gap to the downside as well. I don't know. ES trying to get a little bounce. A little bit of a foot in there at 69.20 on the ES, guys. Obviously, you guys see we had a beautiful area of a support here. 69.19. We got a little bounce off the level. And it's not a coincidence. We may get a little bit of that cap bounce here on the NQ as well. We'll wait and see. I'm going to have ES on the right hand side here, guys. And then also NQ on the left hand side. I feel the gap to the upside. I don't know if that is the case, but again, guys, Iran news, it's not an old news, but at the same time, that may be right. That may be, you know, we may have a diplomatic solution to Iran. Like it's not like we're having a war. It's gonna be very difficult. The chances of actually getting into a real war with Iran right now, in my humble opinion, it's a lot less. But I mean, again, you never know what's gonna happen, right? But we'll keep an eye on that. Here I'm down on this bad boy, so I'm gonna try to long. We got a nice little break to the upside, guys. Let's try to see if I can actually hop on a long. Oh my god! I went in with the wrong contract size.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
All right, guys, I'll be down to 3 contracts. All right, I'm gonna have a hard stop here.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'll have a hard stop here, 426. And if we end up getting a pullback here, then I'm gonna get stopped out on this bad boy. I could have a hard, well, let me just move my stop to 420, guys. I've got 4 contracts, right? So if we end up getting a pullback here, let's try to see how this is going to kind of react at the VWAP here at 470 area. If we get a nice little bounce, then I think that's great. We also actually got a little bit of a break to the upside, breaking a little bit of a structure here. So we'll see, guys. It just kind of failed. Hold on one second. Maybe I should have kind of waited on this. We just kind of tapped the EMA, right? I should have kind of waited here on this bad boy.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted.
I guess I'm down to 4 now again. I added some more for a quick pop, and I took some off the table as well along the way. Now I'm down to 4, guys. I'm down to 4. I am going to have a hard stop here right at the low of this candle, right? Low of this candle. What a beautiful mochaccino bounce up was, everybody. Let's go. Come on. Ah! If I get stopped out, I'm totally fine with that. Absolutely, sir. Yeah, stop me out. Stop me out. Stop me out.
Stop filled. Stop
There we go.
filled.
I got stopped out in profit. $30, everybody. Let's go. Mixed StockTiger, great again. All right, so what's gonna be now? We're right at the view up. Man, look at this gold, guys. Oh, sorry, no, I'm not looking at the right chart. I thought I was looking at the gold chart here for a moment, but I guess I'm not. Where's the gold? Bring my gold. All right, the gold. Yeah, the gold is looking weak, guys. This could be another leg to the downside. I hope none of you guys try to hold on a long there on the gold, because that would have been a pretty ugly looking bag. The crude oil, wow. Surprisingly, the crude oil is pulling back. So what does that mean, guys? What does that mean? Are we finding a diplomatic solution to Iran? Is that what it is? Getting a little bounce in the NQ as well. I wouldn't be surprised if we try to do that, guys. Man.
Order submitted.
Don't tell me it's gonna go without me now. Give me that little pullback here. Go with me. Go with me. We are family. Go with me.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, I'm gonna try to be with 2 contracts. I want to see if we can actually get a little bounce, guys, instead of getting a roll over down. So I think I want to kind of wait and see if we can actually get above the VWAP. I think it's gonna look a lot better. So 470 definitely a very important level that we want to get above this and really try to hold that, right? If you can't do that, then I think we are in a little trouble. Right, so I've got 1 contract right here just to kind of stay in the game. But I will exit this trade, of course, if we end up getting a nasty pullback here down.
Order canceled.
This is not looking, guys. We just
Order
broke underneath.
Order filled.
All right, I'm just gonna have to kind of wait now, guys. I mean, this is not looking a clean setup, right? We're just not getting a nice little clean setup. On a 1-hour chart, though. Hold on 1 second.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, guys. I'm gonna try to long this bad boy, guys. I mean, now the question is, where is my stop going to be? Right at the initial low, or am I gonna bring it down to 360 area? And that's the question. The thing is, I'm just not exactly sure how much I'm willing to risk on this trade. We'll see. Everything's just pulling back here, guys. The gold pulling back, NQ pulling back as well. NQ down about 1%, by the way. Right, overall 1% down, about 250 points pulled back here on the NQ. Do we get some kind of a bounce? I mean, definitely doable. But we could also try to retest the low here, and that's what kind of bothers me a little bit. Me not liking this. Me not liking this, guys. I mean, get into a little bit of a mochaccino issue. Still a little patient on this bad boy. Not gonna get shaken out right now. Not a time to do that. It looks a little bearish, yeah, absolutely. Looks like it wants to just dumpster here all the way down. Try to retest the low pretty quickly down, but I'll take my chances here, guys. We'll see. 415 right here, right now. I'm down about $100, a little over that. Overall, down about $200, but NQ looking weak, gold looking weaker, and silver looking waka waka, right? So pretty interesting price action so far, guys. I mean, anything is possible, right? I'm long right now. we're gonna have to just try to be a little patient, guys. I mean, anything's possible in this trade. Anything is possible. If we dump here, yeah, I'm gonna get mad. Absolutely, StockTiger will be mad. Will be mad. I'm gonna have to have something. I need a boxing bag, yeah, man. I gotta buy that, man. I'm tired. I'm tired. StockTiger is tired. I need a bag. I need a bag. I need a point for myself. I keep forgetting to do that. Thank you, everybody. Fellow traders, my fellow friends, my fellow traders, everybody, welcome back to the show. $414 looks pretty weak, guys. I may want to just exit the trade. Now, as soon as I try to exit this trade, guess what's gonna happen? It's gonna obviously get a bounce, right? I mean, we know this drill every day. We've been through this every single night, guys. All right, fellow traders, I also posted a video, if you guys don't mind, doing a little bit of a thumbs up on my video, guys. It definitely gives me that little motivation to continue grinding and building a better video. I'm getting better at it, guys. I'm not good at making videos per se, but I'll get better at it, guys. I'll get better at it every day. Every single day we are making improvements. All right, guys, I will share that video. Guys of mine. And yeah, are we going to get a pullback here? It looks a little weak, guys. I mean, I'm gonna exit this, guys. I'm gonna exit this trade. I'm gonna be looking for that little confirmation, guys. Okay, that's what I'm gonna be looking for. It looks a little choppy. A little choppy here. I mean, we may get a bounce for all you know, but I mean, I would rather kind of try to stay away from this chop. So guys, man, this is my video that I made today, this morning. If you guys want to support, smack the like, guys. Thumbs up on that video. I really appreciate it, everybody. If you can, I'll share it again right now. Thank you, everybody. And also share my Discord link. You guys talked about it. My Discord link is right. Hold on one second, guys. I mean, this market is kind of a little choppy, so might as well try to add some value. All right, here we go, guys. That's my Discord link as well. All right, so let's see. I would like to see this thing get above the VWAP, guys. 460 and hold, right? And that's gonna kind of give me a little bit of conviction here that we may get a little bounce. I'm also taking a look at the gold, guys. The gold trying to get a little bounce, right? The gold is trying to get a bounce, and at the same time, the NQ is trying to get a bounce as well, guys. We are trying to pierce through this 440. That's the first level that we have to really try to find a crack above that, right, and get pretty close to the VWAP, and the VWAP kind of hold, and that will kind of give us a bounce back into the 480. And if the 480 holds, then I'm going to be looking to go long right from that level, guys. We'll see. This could be a little bit of a trap to go long. And the last thing I want to know is if we get a bounce. We get a bounce and then it falls. Right, this is definitely very much in the card as well. So with this in mind, I'm just trying to stay a little patient here, guys. I'm already down about $200 on this account, so I want to be on the right side of the trade. We are down about 1%, guys. We are down about 1%. That's a lot. See, that's a lot of pullback here. So, did you make it curly? Yes, I did. A little bit. You noticed that? I hope you guys like it. If not, I can change it if you want. All right, guys, I'm looking for some clues here now. Right, I'd like to see this get above the VWAP, or we obviously end up getting a pullback here into the 400, guys. Retest the low. Looks a little weak, guys. Looks a little weak. We need a strong bounce. Okay, we need a strong bounce with a strong volume, kind of step into this trade. If not, then I think we have a little problem. But where did my volume go? Let's hold on. Where's my volume? Oh, there we go. My volume. I don't need this ATR, man. Why do you even have this ATR? Get rid of it now, StockTiger. Get rid of this ATR. Nobody cares.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I went short.
Order filled.
I went short, guys.
Order
I'm down to
filled.
3 contracts. I'm gonna be looking for that little flush down. I will place my
Order
stop at the
submitted.
break even here, guys, right now. Let's see, guys, if we get an extended move here to the downside, guys. This is what I was kind of a little worried about. And we are finally getting that little ejection there. Let's go. Let's go. Push it down. Sorry, guys, I'm
Order
back to green.
filled.
Holy mochaccino.
Order
The
canceled.
cappuccino is real.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'm gonna
Order
place my stop
submitted.
now. Let's take one more off table. Nah, I'll just kind of try to hold this, guys. My stop will be at the break even. Oh, hold on. I
Order.
lied.
Order filled.
Yeah, my stop at
Order
the break even.
canceled.
Only one contract, guys. Oh, look at that bounce. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out right here. I'm gonna get stopped out right at the break even, unfortunately. Holy man, look at that, guys. That's a
Order
strong bounce that
filled.
we are
Stop
getting
filled.
there. Am I gonna long? Not right now, guys. I mean, we're still at that pivotal point. We just can't get above that. We are constantly getting rejection, even though we got a nice little bounce off that 373. That would have been a little bit of a fake push down. Well, wait, guys, but at least I made some back. Holy mochaccino. It is a joke market. Well, is there anything that's not joke? Like even New York. Everything's a joke now, guys. There's nothing, there's no clean setup at all. Like lately, it's just been all joke everywhere, right? Everywhere, joke. Oh man, what a beautiful bounce, guys. I kind of like the setup here for long.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Guys, I went long here,
Order
guys.
submitted.
I went long, but this better not fake me down, man. I'll be mad. Yeah, my stop here is gonna be at 400, guys. If we end up getting a pullback here, I'll be down to 4.
Order canceled.
Well, maybe I should just have a hard stop here just in case, guys.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I've got a hard stop here at 400 area, guys. I'm gonna be looking for a bounce back into 500, guys. If we try to hold this, then I think it's okay. We've got to hold this level, man. This level has to hold. Don't pull back here now. Jeez. Oh my god, look at that, guys, man. That was a little bit of a fake. StockTiger, faking StockTiger. Down, up, down, up. We'll see. One more try, guys. One more try. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not gonna add, man. 5 contracts is enough. In this volatility that we are having right now, we are 1% up and down, guys. I mean, that's pretty aggressive, right? So I think 5 contracts, I think that should be fine. If we end up getting a pullback, yeah, I'll exit this trade, of course. But I'm looking for the little bounce, guys. If we get everybody, welcome everybody. Jimmy Zhang, what is going on, brother? What is going on, everybody? Blackout, what up?
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
What up, guys? Corner TX, everybody. Kevin Smith in the house. Black Mamba Experimental, Mugi Hoover, Daily Day Trades. What is going on? Paul Variza, Ethan, Tory Trades eyebrow. All right, man. Fellow traders, man, do not forget to type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on the Stack Profit Twitter account giveaway here today, everybody. Let's go. And guys, don't forget to smash the like, guys. We got over 800 viewers right now with only about 150 likes. Where did the love go, everybody? Where? Try to find that out.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'm down to 3 contracts. I'm gonna be looking for that bounce into 500, guys. Let's see if we get it. I'm a little chicken.
Order
I'm gonna take
submitted.
one more off the table, guys, just to kind of protect myself.
Order
Come
submitted.
on.
Order
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm down to 2 now.
Order submitted.
Back to green. Holy mochaccino! What a beautiful trade. StockTiger is back again. February first week, guys. I mean, we're gonna forget about January, okay? We're gonna forget about January. All right. Our focus is purely February and March now. Moving forward, right? Yeah, I had a tough month, guys. You know that, right? We talked about this. Shh, we had a tough month. What a beautiful bounce, guys. I'm moving my stop to break even now. Back into the view up, guys. Let's see if we get a little bit of mochaccino bounce. Back higher into the 500, guys. Holy man, look at that bounce, everybody. Yeah, I've got my stop here right at the view up. If I end up getting a pullback into the view up, I'm gonna get mad. Yeah, I caught those moves. Let's go, everybody. I hope y'all having a great day so far. Everybody, how was your weekend? How was everybody's weekend, guys? All right, I'm gonna try to hold this. You know what I mean? Kind of try to hold and see what happens. If I get stopped out, well, it's fine. I get stopped out, but I'm completely okay to get stopped out on this trade because I am back in green, everybody. Yeah, looks like we are getting a nice little pop here, guys, man. I like this setup for long. I'm down to 2 now. Maybe I should have been like 20 million contracts here. I've only got 2 contracts. You guys know, I mean, when you're on a small size, you're always on a winning side, right? Only on a winning trade when you're on a small size. You guys know that very well. Or if you're on a demo account, or let's say if you're on a... was it a demo account? Yeah. If you're on a demo account, you make $2 million. Ah! Like, as if somebody cares, right? We're always on a big winning side when we're either on a small size or a demo account. That's weird though, right? I mean, I'm with 2 contracts and I'm up. You know? I'm up. Because you know what? Because I've got 2 contracts. But let's say if I was in 20 micro contracts, I would have been down by now. Just kidding. Trying to have some fun here, guys. Yeah, but wow, guys, man. I mean, think about it. We had a lot of news coming out on the weekend, and apparently we are getting signals or signs. I don't know what it is, whatever you guys want to call it, but we are getting some information that we may get into a diplomatic solution for Iran. So maybe that's kind of pushing this market back higher. I'm not sure. I don't know if this market is kind of ready to give us that sort of a follow-through extended move here to the downside, because we got a lot of catalysts this week. So is the market willing to just dump everything down today? We have not even started the week, guys. I mean, we got a lot of news coming out. We got earnings, right? We talked about the video. We got a lot of earnings coming out. We got, we're still preliminary stage with the Iran, right? So we're gonna have to kind of wait. We got a lot of countries in the Middle East trying to support a diplomatic solution. I know it's tensed, but there's a lot of conversation going on right now. And I think DT also wants to have a little bit of a, softer tone, find a solution to the issue. So we'll see what happens. I mean, so far, you know, the bounce that we're getting right now is pretty bullish. Let's see if we try to fill the gap to the upside. Incredible mochaccino, man. We are up 0.5% in about a few minutes, guys. I'm back green. I'm only got 2 contracts now. I'm gonna look for a little bounce, guys, or maybe look for a little pullback. Try to take let me just try to take one off the table, guys. One off the table, you know, just to kind of like
Order filled.
give myself a little bit of a wiggle
Order
room.
canceled.
You know what I mean? So if we end up getting a pullback, then
Order
I'm gonna try to
submitted.
reload on a short side. But I want to be part of this. Maybe I'll exit this trade right here, guys. Maybe $300. I should be fine with this, to be honest. We got a little resistance now, 540, kind of getting pretty close to that area now. So maybe get a little rejection there. I'm not sure. This could move pretty quickly as well, so I'm kind of like trying to hold this. I will try my stop to 508. Yeah, there's quite a few adjustments on my end from my trading perspective. So I've already mentioned that on the video. Or I guess I may have to close this right here with $300, right? I mean,
Order
guys, I exited
Order
that
filled.
trade, and now I'm gonna be looking for that a pullback here down. We'll see what happens now, guys. Let's see. Let's get a little pullback here down. We are pretty overextended to the upside on an RSI standpoint into 75.80 area. So let's see if we get a little pullback down. You know, we pushed too quickly, too fast here on a bounce at 373. So we get a little bit of a decrease in the volume, and we obviously squeeze. So let's look for that little pullback here down, and then I'm gonna try to long again on a pullback, guys. I mean, we keep going from here, then I'm gonna still wait for a pullback. I'd like to see a little pullback here into the 480s before we start to long again, guys.
Order rejected.
Oh, a wrong contract.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, so 485. 485, guys. I'm gonna look for a little pullback into 480, guys.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Elegant, what is going on, man? All right, we had a nice little trade there, so let's kind of wait, guys. Let's kind of wait. I mean, it's not a coincidence that we got a rejection off that 535 area. RSI, you know, kind of overextended. The volume kind of dying out, so we'll wait patiently to see if we get a little pullback here down, guys. Everybody, welcome everybody. Great to see you guys yet again. Every single night. By the way, if you're new here, I go live every day. Obviously, Globex ASIA, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. I also go live in the mornings too. New York, the cash, the biggest and the largest as well. Twice a week, guys. Usually about 10:30 a.m. in the morning. And if you guys want to get notified, just make sure to hit that notification bell to always get notified every time StockTiger and StockLion goes live. Both sessions, guys. Thank you, everybody. A beautiful Sunday afternoon. Thank you guys for being here. And don't forget, if you're new, we got Take Profit Twitter account giveaway here. I'll call out the winner about 350 likes, guys. We're pretty close. We got 200 likes right now. We'll as we get closer, I will do call out the winner, and we'll go from there, guys. And thank you guys obviously for being here as well. Smash the like level before, eh? All right, guys. I'm looking for a little pullback here before I can actually hop on a long. I kind of like it to the upside, to be honest. So I'm gonna be looking for that little pullback here, so I can actually hop on a long again. But for now, I'm stepping back. I'm not in a trade anymore. I don't have any open positions, by the way, so getting a little bounce on the gold, guys. I mean, gold is trying to get a little bounce. Why am I on a 15 minutes chart on the gold? Let's just move back to like 5 minutes chart on the gold. The gold is getting a little bounce, guys. I mean, I kind of like that, but we could also get a little fallback here in the gold. So Are we gonna fill the gap to the upside? All right, so
Order
I'll just stick to
order
that.
canceled.
So let's wait, everybody. I think this market, both gold and the NQ, trying to figure out what he wants to do. The volume's kind of dying out though. We're seeing no volume now. We got a nice little volume on a bounce, initial volume on a bounce, but we don't have that volume anymore. So be careful, everybody, if you guys are trading this market now. It's gonna get pretty tricky. Try to stay a little patient on this trade, guys. Pulverizer ZN. Gold stronger than NQ. All right, so let's stay a little patient. We may be getting a little bit of a bull flag here. I don't know, right? We may be getting a little bit of a bull flag. We're gonna have to wait. But I don't like the way it's kind of volume. The volume's kind of dead. You see, the thing that I hate the most is when we get a bounce against a very dying volume. You know what I mean? I really don't like that. So we'll see. We'll see how this thing kind of plays out, guys. Oh yes, by the way, we got 40% off on the Lucid accounts, up to 5 accounts, and also you have 40% off on Tradify on the Select plan, and then you also have 90% off on the Apex and 89% off on the Bulanox as well. And then what else? I'm not sure if we have anything else really other than those. And yeah, we also have Top Step 0% off. That's like the greatest offer you can ever get. Alfredo, what is going on, man? Ultra game. Lucid is 40%. Lucid is 40%, guys. 40% until 40%. I'm not sure when it's until, but it's 40% up to 5 accounts. So if you load up 5 accounts, you get 40%. But anything beyond that, it's back to 30%. All right, guys, we're getting a little bounce on a very low volume, so I don't know, man. You know, this could try to trick a lot of traders. Oh my goody. We'll see. Are we going to get a bounce? We could get a bounce, man. Looks pretty good though. I mean, oh my god, this is looking good. Very good, everybody. Very good. Elegant Yuan. Hey man, bro, thanks for being here. 1 a.m. in the morning, Italy. Yeah, bro, thanks for being here, brother. From Europe. Great to see you. We'll see you back, obviously, tomorrow. Then, man, Tiger about to call it a night every night. Holy smokers, man. Are you in the States or somewhere else? Thanks for hopping in, man. To a lot of you guys, man, if you are really busy tonight and you still came in to say hello, man, I really appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much. Everybody, my fellow traders around the world. We are truly global, right? From Japan all the way to Italy, London. I hope we got traders from Alaska too. Oh my god, look at this bounce, guy. It's gonna go without me now. I'm gonna get mad. Yeah, StockTiger is mad now. Madness, StockTiger. But you know what the thing is though? Well, we're getting a nice little bounce in the volume with the volume too. So, yeah, I'm okay. I mean, we had some nice little trades here. Come on, like, you know what I mean? we're making good trades. I'm taking stab. I'm not afraid to take a stab, and I'm obviously trading. I'm not afraid. StockTiger is not afraid. I'm taking a stab. It does look like we got some news coming out. I don't know what it is. Netanyahu prepares Israeli defense force to strike Iran. Ah, man, I don't know if that's you know, we got a lot of fake news out there right now. You know what I mean? It's hard to gauge what is right and what is wrong. You got to be careful, man. If you're looking at the YouTube, there's too many fake news now. So be careful. Too many fake news, everyone. So I'm just getting another news that Trump is leaning more of a diplomatic solution, but also not afraid to use a military solution. So that's what it's saying. But we got a lot of reports saying we are looking for a diplomatic solution, more so than trying to get into a war. So we'll see how that kind of plays out. And by the way the market's kind of responding here, right? We had an initial pullback, obviously, because of all, you know, the markets. Look, you know, when you get this kind of a pullback, right, that's in response to all the news that came out during the weekend, right? Right now, though, the market is trying to digest, and make a final move to what may potentially happen. And now, if we have more of a diplomatic solution to Iran, then maybe that could give us a little bit of a relief bounce in this market, guys. Right? So we'll see that. We'll stay a little patient. There's a lot of information coming out on YouTube and everywhere else. So, oh, I haven't checked the financial juice, by the way. Let me just take a look and see the financial juice here. So dollar yen up about 0.25%. Australian manufacturing PMI better than expected. I think Trump says he thinks we are going to make a deal with Cuba. Isn't that interesting? He thinks, I think, not me. He thinks he's gonna make a deal with Cuba. And then Trump is saying on the as far as the Iran is concerned, also says hopefully we make a deal. And Iran wants to make a deal too. So I you know, it's hard to say. It's a little bit too early, premature to kind of call and say, okay, well, we found a diplomatic solution, but everybody, like, there's no country in the Middle East right now thinking that we have a war. So there must be something that tells me we are leading more of a diplomatic solution for Iran. We'll see, guys. I mean, nothing's for certain. Obviously, you never know what to expect, right? What to expect from DT. So and Trump also says Warsh, obviously the new Fed, he will reduce the interest rate. That is what he's saying now. So what does that mean for the market? Of course. So I think Trump is looking for a lot of solutions, right? So Trump wants obviously interest rate to go down, and he believes that Walsh is gonna do that. And Trump keeps saying Iran is serious about talking to the U.S. He thinks he's gonna make a deal with the Cuba, right? So what else? And U.S. House Speaker Johnson says confident he has the votes to end the partial shutdown by at least Tuesday. The government shutdown, right? So we are getting some kind of a better news out there, at least so far, based on what we see. So we'll see how this thing kind of plays out as we go. Keep in mind, we got a lot of earnings coming on next week. We got huge. We got AMD. I obviously did talk about that on my video. We got AMD, we got Palantir. I'm really looking forward to Palantir, guys. Monday after the market closed, we got Palantir earnings come out, and we got AMD the very next day, and we got Google and Amazon on Wednesday and Thursday. And of course, we got a lot of economic news as well coming out next week. That would be ISM, that would be non-farm payroll. We got a lot of news out there coming in, from unemployment rate in the US as well coming down. Holy man, jam-packed with a lot of news out there next week, guys. If you're trying to be a hero tonight, just hold it. Let's just try to have some fun. And yeah, it's yeah, I think next week's gonna be a roller coaster. Yet another a big fat easy 100-200 points up and down. Incredible. Yeah, it's gonna be wild, guys, man. It's gonna be wild. Yeah, be careful, guys, if you're trading next week on Monday. It's gonna be pretty wild. I'm like I said again on my video that I am trying to stay away from silver, and I really intend to stay away from silver for good. I will trade gold time to time on the micro level, but it will be pretty much NQ trade most of the part, right? And I'm gonna try to also get into the ES trade as well going forward into the rest of the first quarter, and that'll be February and March. So bulk of my trades are gonna be in the NQ and ES, and then time to time, of course, I'll trade gold as opportunities, you know. But silver, I'm really trying to refrain from trading silver, guys. I mean, even if it's an eval, it doesn't really matter. I'm trying to stay away from silver. I had all my mess up in the month of January was all thanks to silver, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's all thanks to silver. And you know what? It's ultimately it's my mistake, right? Who are you gonna blame other than yourself, to be honest, right? It's you who's done the mistake. You're gonna have to fix that yourself. You know what I mean? Just stay away from stuff that doesn't work. You know what I mean? I would have like, you know, the biggest and the largest month ever in my history of my trading journey, but thanks to a beautiful silver, it kind of got all messed up, if you will. So now I've got to fix those problems, right? So I'm gonna start doing that. I'm leaning more on NQ and ES, obviously, down the road, and immediately, right off the bat, guys, immediately. Right, this is February now. January is behind us. We no longer have January now. It's behind us. We are fresh start February, 1st of February, guys, on a Sunday night, and we're gonna fix it right now. We don't have time. We gotta fix it right now, everybody, and fix it forever. Yeah, of course. I take you very seriously, guys. I mean, when I say this, I mean of course, I mean, you know, you guys know last year I kept saying I'm not going to trade gold anymore, but I kept trading time to time. But it is going to happen, but you're going to try your level best, you know what I mean? And as you are getting better at it, it's okay. Okay, so we are getting a little bounce, guys. I mean, we had a nice little bull flag. I just don't know how much of a push we can actually get on this trade, guys. Maybe we have a little grind to the upside, and then maybe get a big flush back into the VWAPs. That's what I'm kind of a little concerned about right here. So we'll see, guys. I mean, and by the way, guys, don't forget to smash the like, everybody. If you guys want to support the stream, take a few seconds of your time to do that. I really appreciate it, guys. Definitely gives me that motivation to keep streaming every day live at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, plus the New York as well. And don't forget to type in !Tiger, obviously, to give yourself a chance to participate on this beautiful, handsome, humble Tech Profit Trader giveaway, guys. And who knows, we may do another one. I don't know. Depends. Depending on how exciting it gets, guys. But everybody, thank you guys for being here. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, I screwed up. January, it's okay. It's behind us now. Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, we have what it takes, guys. We are strong traders. We're we are disciplined traders. Think about all the mistakes you've done in the last couple months. And take no time to fix those. We've got to fix it right now, guys. We got to fix it right now. We don't have time. And we've got what it takes. We are very disciplined traders, all of us, including myself. You know, mistakes does happen, but we've got to be able to fix those problems. You know what I mean? And right now, no time, no going back. Right now. All right, guys. We get a little pullback here. No, I still had a good month. Don't get me wrong. Like I hit what again? I think I hit 31,000 last month. I hit 31,000 last month. It's, you know, but the reason why I'm not really happy about it is because, you know, I was kind of expecting about 60,000, but I kind of screwed up. You know what I mean? Half of that was kind of made in the early Jan, you know, so that's what. But you know what? I'm glad that it actually ended up happening early January. Like, if you think about it, guys, I mean, we've got 11 more months to go. Can you imagine if this actually happened, let's say in the month of June? It would have been a lot harder, right? I might as well try to fix my problems now, and the stuff that I went through that I shouldn't have done now, fix it now, and then think about it in 5 minutes down the road. I fix it now, and so I can have a really smooth sail for another 11 months. You know, show consistency, be extremely disciplined in my trades, and so we can have a good 11 months, guys. We're only in the first month, right? Only 30 days is gone. This is like the 31st day of 2026. So, oh my God, what's going on now? Xi Jinping? What do you mean Xi Jinping? What are you talking about? Xi Jinping calls for China renminbi. What does that mean? Renminbi? What the heck does that mean? Renminbi to become global reserve currency. What is renminbi? I have no idea. All right, so the market is really choppy. We had a nice little trade earlier on, and the market's kind of like, you know, finding some kind of a footing here, but at the same time, it's not really doing anything. Reading dong, Ethan. Reading dong, ring ding dong. What the heck was that? What do you mean? What do you mean it's their currency? That's yuan. Yuan is their currency. Holy mochaccino. All right, guys. What the heck is this market trying to do, guys? Are we gonna get some kind of a move? Can somebody move this market? Who are on a live account? Go in with like 10 micro contract, and this market is gonna start to move. Let's slay the market, guys, today. Which I already did, I think. Yeah, I'm definitely a happy camper now. The way we started the day, the first day of the trading month, I'm okay with this. All right, also I want to take a look and see what we have here, guys. I mean, I forgot to completely take a look at the payout tab. Obviously, you guys know I always go, you know, every time we have a live streams, I also go into my Discord to really call out my other fellow traders banking on their trades. So I share that as well, right? So if you guys obviously have a lot of payouts, or even if it's 1 or 2 payouts, doesn't really matter. If you guys want to share that journey with us, I would really appreciate it, because everybody wants to see your journey, right? We all try our level best to share our journeys together. It's not just me, it's everybody. We are here collectively trying to bank, trying to get better at trading every single day. So if you guys want to share, I'll really appreciate it. You know, it's my honor to be able to call out your names, right? This journey, it's not easy, you know, and obviously Mucho gracias, everybody, you know. Let's take a look. We got Monica. Monica with the EH signature. Are you serious, bro? 1250? No. Monica! Monica, yo! Holy! Guys, man, this is unreal. Monica, yeah, hey. Is it okay, Monica, if I say? Monica has been struggling for the last couple months, man. Last couple months. She did not give up. She kept fighting. She wasn't angry for sure, I tell you that much. But she kept grinding and fighting for this, guys, man. It's honestly, this is like, this thing is probably the best thing could have ever happened for Monica. Like, seriously, God bless Monica, man. Honestly, this is fantastic news. This is fantastic. Like, this is probably the best thing I've ever heard today. Best thing I've ever heard today, guys. Incredible. Holy. Guys, man, 1250. I can't even do the math. This is just too much. 1250 for $5,000 right there, guys. And if you turn this into the euro, this is gonna be like $1 million now. Just kidding, guys. But hey, 5,000 bucks right there, guys, for Monica. A big shout out to Monica, everybody. Congrats. Awesome. I like that, guys. I like that, guys. Great job. Oh man, that's awesome. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, as well. Take a few seconds of the time to do that. We are getting pretty close to the call out, guys. And let's just get back. Yeah, man, stop typing on the payout tab, guys. This is for payouts only. This is not for a regular conversation, please. Yeah, this is for somebody I can't even. I don't even know how to pronounce that name. Maybe that's Tokyo. Like, I can't pronounce his name. Humo Bumo, whatever. $2,100 right there, guys. And then let's just take a look. Oh man, $20,000 for Annabelle. Annabelle, $20,000 on Apex, guys. Can this be February 4th? She's getting a payout. Hit the bank account on February the 4th. Usually it's kind of like a day or two early. But anyways, $20,000 for Annabelle, man. Awesome. Congrats once again for doing that. We got Dude 45. Dude 45 killing on his take profit trader accounts. Incredible, man. Never giving up. Dude 45 lost his funded accounts but came back stronger. Banking on his take profit trader eval accounts, guys. Both on 25k account and 50k account. Looks good. Keep it up, Dude 45. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Profit factor 411 also killing the market. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Profit factor. Awesome. Lots of great trades. Lots of good trades. And we got Harambe as well. Lately, banking pretty hard on his accounts. Awesome, Harambe. Great stuff, man. And we got JG as well. JG Tribe. Nice. I like that. All right, guys. Back to the trading. Guys. Back to the trading. The market, see, I told you, man, this is pulling back here right now. I'm gonna try to stay a little patient. I kind of like it to the downside on this bad boy. I'm gonna try to short this.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna try to short this, guys. I've got 4 contracts here. I'm gonna try to short this.
Order submitted.
And my stop is gonna be right in the 1550 area, guys. Let's see what happens now. I should have shorted this a little bit earlier. Maybe I'm kind of a little late to the party. If we get a bounce here, then I'll be in a little trouble. Yeah, I'm shorting right now, guys. I mean, hopefully I don't get cooked on this. We are a little oversold from an RSS standpoint down to the 40s, so we may try to get a little bounce. I don't know. We'll see, guys. I may have to kind of try to downsize this. Try to take some contracts off the table on a pullback into the VWAP. If you do, I've got to be a little careful on this bad boy right here. We got a little ejection and we got a nice little pullback here on the low volume. So give me that pullback, boy. Let's go, boy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm little ichimuchi. I don't know if this is gonna be give me a pullback here. Yeah, we still have like 28 days more to go, guys, for our trading. So today's not the end of the world. If you're down, just shut down your computer and look for tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day. We got 28 more days to go, guys, for the month to be over. So we got a lot of days to trade. So all right, guys, I have to one off the table.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
I made a mistake.
Order canceled.
All right, guys, I went short,
submitted.
right? But I'm just a little concerned about this. Let's see if we can get a little pullback into the VWAP here. All right, guys, I'll let you this trade. I'm just not feeling that comfortable, if you will. So I'm just going to have to wait a little bit, guys. We may also get a little bit of a bounce in this trade. So, right? So let's try to be a little patient. Careful here. Trader Grace. 야, 이렇게 오셔서 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ellie. Soko. Future. Belen. My day's going all right, bro. Thanks for asking. My day is absolutely okay. Zero cook. Zero cool. Sorry, not zero cook. Zero cool. One minute, guys. I'm trying to set something up right now. Oh, so it looks like Texas also. Oh, hold on one second, guys. Holy mochino. What was that bounce, guys? Yeah, we are getting. Oh, it's weird, guys. We're getting a bounce in the gold, and we are getting a bounce in the NQ as well. So I don't know. That's a beautiful bounce that we are actually getting right here, with a nice strong volume kind of stepping into this trade. Man, I would have been in absolute problem if I ended up going short on that trade. I mean, yeah, I could have been in a little trouble there. So I'm going to be looking for a little pullback here. Maybe try to long on this trade, guys. I mean, that's what I'm going to try to do. I don't know. I don't know how much of a balance in the gold is going to really have an impact on the NQ, though, right? So, I mean, not necessarily we have to get a pullback on NQ to get a pullback in the gold. You know what I mean? We can have a bounce on both. We've seen that plenty of times over and over again in the past as well. So. Oh my god, man. The NQ is gonna go without me now. StockTiger is not there anymore. He's not there anymore. He's not there anymore. Yeah. Like I said again, guys, I will watch silver alongside the gold, by the way. But I really have to stay away from silver for the rest of the year. And if I'm going to be trading silver, it's got to be SLV, and obviously on my personal live account, and not on the PROPFIRM accounts. And I better fix this now, guys. I mean, I don't have time. You know, any mistakes does occur. You know, it does happen. I mean, we're all humans, right? But we got to be able to fix this problem quickly enough. Right, so we have only limited damage. We still have, you know, 11 months to go. right? Only 30 days passed for the month, so which is good news for StockTiger. So hopefully we have a great February month, guys. I'm really looking forward to February, and I'm just going back to what I know how to trade, mostly the NQ, and see what happens there, guys. Well, let's try to see, guys. So first thing first, we are getting a nice little bounce off that low. Obviously, maybe I should have kind of tried to go long on the VWAP bounce. It got a little nervous. I ended up trying to short that, and I exited that trade pretty quickly. Luckily, I exited that trade at a perfect time before it actually ended up getting a bounce. It just did not feel like it wants to get a crack underneath the VWAP, and until we do that, there's no reason to try to short this trade that I was in, right? So luckily I got out of that trade with $10 profit on it. So let's see, guys. We're hitting that EMA support here, a resistance here at 580 again. I wonder what this market's gonna do. If we get a bounce above that and we hold, I think we could try to fill the gap to the upside. We're only down about $100, right? 100 points, down about 0.5%. So let's see, guys. I mean, maybe. Oh man, look at that, guys. Holy mochaccino. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin here. Bitcoin trying to get a little bounce back higher again. I don't know. I think I'm on the wrong contract with the Bitcoin. I'm on a G6. Oh, actually, you know what? There is. Yeah, we are getting a little bounce, guys. I mean, this is pretty strong bounce in the NQ. Kind of stepping in nicely. Yeah, I know. Save some move for New York. I mean, hey, man. Yeah, I mean, the Asia's looking pretty nicely here, guys. I mean, this is definitely moving like New York. I mean, it's Globex ASIA is lately in the last few days. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it's moving like New York, and maybe even better than New York, by the way. I did say on the video though that the market wasn't looking as bearish, and it almost kind of feels like we're kind of getting that. So let's say, guys, we got a little bit of resistance here at 600 area. We got a little rejection. So let's see if we get a little pullback here so I can actually hop on along. Right, that's what I'm gonna try to do on the NQ. I can't be chasing right at this level now. It may just keep going, but if it does, then it's okay, right? We gotta stay a little patient, you know. Today is not the last day of the trading month. It's only the start, so we still have tomorrow. We still have midnight. We got London session. We got overnight, guys. We got a lot of days, a lot of time to trade. So you're low on your personal account. Oh, nice, man. What's rap? Great stuff. Great to see you go live on your live account. Rag, what is going on, man? Ibra Kara. Forex. Nice, you're up. That's a lot. Alright, guys, I'm looking for a little pullback here. Let's try to stay a little patient. I mean, it's okay. We got into some nice little trades here earlier on, so I wouldn't be too disappointed at myself. You know what I mean? We did trade, so tell me you love me. Ania. Greetings from Brazil. ¿Cómo estás, amigo? ¿Cómo estás? Amigo, muy bien. Sí, oui. Yeah, it's hard to long and hard to short right here at this level, but look at the bounce in the gold though. We are now pretty well. Holy man. Yeah, I missed that trade on the gold as well, so yeah, daily day trades, I keep trading. It doesn't matter if I hit my target. I mean, my target, what is my target? Honestly, it's not a certain profit amount. It's just, did I trade all my funded accounts? That's really my ultimate personal goal every day, is did I trade all my personal accounts? And if I did, do I want to use 1 or 2 funded accounts to kind of try to see if I can push just a little more if the market is presenting with an opportunity? So that's what it is. But I don't really have a goal per se each day, a profit target. I don't have that. It really is based off what the market is kind of presenting, right? So I keep trading if I have to, if the market is truly that exciting. I use normally Tradovate, and I use Quant Tower as well. I use both Quant Tower and Tradovate. I don't intend to trade Ninja Trader. I don't intend to do that. Ethan, never, 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 never say goodbye. I like that too. Black Mamba, what is up, man? Yeah, Take Profit Trader is 40% off. Obviously, that continues. 40% off right now. That continues, guys. And then also, yeah, Apex 90% off right now. It's still ongoing. Yeah, Apex is still 90% off. So you're paying essentially about 19.78 cents or something like that. A little less than $20 for an eval account. For account size 25K, 50K, and 100K. Right? Me personally, I just like to go with 50Ks and nothing beyond that, to be honest. I mean, I just don't have enough patience to kind of trade the 100Ks and the 150s. I am trying the 150s with the Take Profit Trader, and I may try to load in some accounts with 25 150Ks, but I'm just gonna have to wait a little bit. After you pass is $75, right? So $75 on accounts below 100K, right? So anything that's between 25 to 100K, the activation fee is about $75. That's what you're paying. So here we go, guys, man. 48.74, guys, and we get a little bounce on the gold. Looks pretty nice, guys. So we got some levels we gotta break out, though. We gotta get a breakout. We are hitting that big fat level now. 48.73, guys. I mean, you could take it up for maybe, I don't know, maybe for a little longer. But I mean, at the end of the day, if you are not going to activate within 30 days, you're gonna have to. They're gonna, well, what is it called again? You're gonna end up having to pay for your eval after the 30 days has passed, right? And that's gonna be pretty expensive. So you might as well try to activate, say, within that 20 days range. If you pass that account, that is, right? So, all right, thank you everybody for being here, and thank you for taking a few moments of your time to smash the like, everybody. And I really appreciate it, guys. We got over 800 viewers now as you speak, and a little less than 300 likes, guys. We will call out the winner here pretty quickly here, as I would like to call out as quickly as I can. So maybe if the time permits, we could do another one as well. Now it really depends, but so far we had a really nice day. The market definitely was volatile. Now, am I disappointed that I did not capitalize on that move to the upside? In one way, but the more I keep thinking about, oh my god, I missed that trade. You know, you're gonna at some point chase the market. So I'm trying my level best to kind of be happy and be content with the profits that I made so far. You know what I mean? Instead of thinking about, oh, I missed this whole move to the upside. You know, if you guys caught this move, kudos to you guys, man. This would have been a really nice trade to the upside, guys. Did anybody catch that move to the upside? Can you guys let me know? And that would have been a smoking trade for you guys. I should have entered long on that pullback here down. at the VWAP, right? That should have been a nice and beautiful entry to the long side. I was just kind of expecting this market to give me that little pullback here, which obviously I read it. I don't know if I read it long. I just did not take a stab at the trade. Oh, nice, man. You caught move to the upside. Holy mochaccino. 11,000 on 1 micro. On 1 micro on what? On silver? How did you make $11,000 on 1 micro, man? How does that even be possible? You're such a great trader. You're like DT. Ticked off trading. What is going on? Illicit. $900. That makes more sense. You cut 250 ticks, move to the upside. Nice, you're phony. Hey, bro. What is up, Sir Phony? It's been a long time. How's it going? How's it going? Guys, man, I did not catch any move to the upside. So, you know, almost kind of feels like we are going to fill the gap to the upside here. That's going to be like the biggest mochaccino bounce. We went down 1%. The market digested that move and realized that, you know what? There's no point in trying to sell off this market. So, obviously, they ended up buying it back. And we are pretty close to back to break even here, guys. And yeah, it's pretty wild to say the least. Incredible. Oh yeah, so Funded Next also has their Bolt deal right now, $99.99, right? So, right, take a look. My PROPFIRM discount, you got Bolt deal as well. Okay, so we got Bolt. That's the Funded Next. On a 50K account, challenge starts at 99.9. Right? There's no activation fee. There's no consistency after you pass the account. That's what it is. It's a pretty good deal on the Funded Next. And the link is all there on that on my Discord link that I shared. I'll share it again. And you got obviously Apex 9% off as well taking place. It ends in about a few days, guys. Take advantage of that because I think that 90% off does not usually come every single time, right? So this could be the big moment to do it right here, right now. And the link is there as well. All the links are there on my Discord, guys. And you got Trade Day. If you are new to Trade Day, you got 50% off. I think you probably end up paying about $60 or a little less than that on Trade Day. If you are new, if you have never traded Trade Day, right? So that's what you get. If you want to take advantage of that, that's good too. You got Funded Futures Network, that's 1+1, so you're paying $75 essentially for 2 accounts, okay? And the link is there as well. $75 for 2 accounts, okay? All my PROPFIRM discounts are all there on the Discord link that I will share again right now, guys. I will share it again, guys. There's my Discord link. And again, we got Take Profit Trader 50K account giveaway happening right now, guys. Oh, we are above. So, all right, fellow traders, I am about to close the entries now. Wow, I can't believe that. Tokyo's already opened 20 minutes ago, and we got Shanghai in about 40 minutes. And we are getting a little pullback here in the gold. We are getting a little pullback on the NQ as well. So now I'm gonna try to take a stab on my trade again. Right, I'm gonna take a stab at my trade again and just kind of wait a little bit though. Wait for some kind of a pullback, guys. We're kind of overextended to the upside on the NQ and gold both together. So let's try to move back to the NQ here. Yeah, the gold. Sorry, the NQ, man. Look at this beautiful, beautiful bullish candle here, guys. A very beautiful engulfing candle here to the upside. We've got some resistance that we're gonna have to get passed through. I do kind of expect heavy resistance at 638 area, so that's where we may try to I don't know, we gotta really pierce through that pretty hard, pretty quickly with a big volume. That could maybe potentially take us back into, I would say, 700 area, and that would be right up here, guys. 700 area, right? So we could get up there. But we got to get a bounce first thing first at above 635, 640 area, guys. But pretty bullish looking chart here on a larger time frame, on a 1 hour chart. Look at that, guys. Beautiful looking chart right there. I like on a longer time frame, pretty bullish. We'll see how that kind of plays out, guys. Thank you once again, everybody, for being here. It's definitely been a fun night, guys. That's crazy. We got some really big traders, man. I'm gonna yeah, just 1 second. We got some really big traders on our Discord, by the way. I'm just gonna share that right here. I completely forgot about this, but we got Mugiwara, man. Look at that, 9 contracts. That's 9 contracts, Mugiwara, man. You're a monster. But we also got something really big here, guys, man. Just take a look. We got Korean. It sounds French. What's Salut ça va, right? Salut ça va in French. Salut ça va, right? Salut ça va. Salut ça va. Big trades, man. Look at this, 150k accounts. $2,000 on each of these accounts. These are funded accounts, by the way. I don't even know how you do this. Like, this is pretty incredible, right? Big fat accounts. This is the biggest account you have, and she's killed it. Congrats, man. Can you move that, Korean? Move that to the P&L section here if you don't mind. Yeah, I understand you want to show you want to show off your trades. I get that, but you can move that to P&L if you don't mind. Good stuff, man. You guys are rocking. Let's just go back to the trading here, guys. Man, we are getting a nice little bounce here. 622. Holy mochino. Yeah, just no any kind of a pullback here, guys, on the silver. Sorry, not on the silver. Man, this is incredible, guys. Oh shoot. Yeah, I just kind of missed this whole move to the downside. Sorry, to the upside. Not sure what it's gonna try to do now. Let's see if we get a little pullback. Maybe we try to pierce through this and then maybe get a pullback down into the yeah, I'm gonna look for some kind of a pullback, guys. We are getting pretty close to that bit of a resistance here into the 650 zone, so 640, 630 ish. Tough one. Pretty wild that we actually just ended up getting bounced all throughout the day. And of course, I'm not in this trade anymore, but I was in a trade, but I just got out of my trades. Wow. Pretty wild to say the least, guys. Okay, so I'm still looking for a little pullback. I don't want to chase this market at the moment, because if I start doing that, then I will start to get into trouble. So might as well try to take a little step back and kind of watch this market do its thing and see what happens from there, right? I'm still going to be looking for the pullback before I can actually go to try to go long. So maybe a pullback into the 580s, and maybe, I don't know, 580s would be probably an area that I want to go long and then see what happens there. Yeah, I mean, I missed that move, guys. What's the Bulanos activation? It's 148. 148 on a 50k account. Yeah, I missed that move to the upside, of course. So we're kind of like chopping now. We may get some kind of a pullback here. I'd like to see a little pullback here down into the 580s and maybe try to go long on this trade. What is the buffer requirement on the 50k account? Monty, what account are you talking about? Are you talking about Apex? Are you talking about something else? Can you let me know? So I'm still looking for a little pullback here, guys. I don't know if I'm going to be getting that, but I'll keep an eye on this, like a hawk eye. StockTiger with the hawk eye. All right, so let's see if we get a little pullback here on Apex. Yeah, so oh, take profit trader. So the buffer is $2,000, right? So once you get above $2,000, then you are able to request a payout daily, right? Anything beyond $2,000, you can request a payout daily. And by the way, usually the buffer requirement across pretty much all the firms, it's somewhere give or take in that $2,000 on a 50k account. Usually that's what it is, right? So when some firms say you have to get above the buffer, usually kind of assume it's about $2,000. Yeah, she was talking about take profit trader. Yeah, I mean, everybody has different opinions of different firms, so it's fine. And honestly, nothing wrong with that, to be honest. Yeah, because everybody has different experiences with different firms, so it's, you know, like there are certain times I have a really bad experience in a certain firm, but everybody else is having fun, are doing okay. You know what I mean? So Japan PMI just came out. Is that what it is? Index is up 1%. Nikkei. Oh, let's take a look at the Nikkei, guys. Yeah, Nikkei's up, guys. Holy mochaccino. Nikkei's up. Nikkei's up. I wouldn't want to try to short this market right now, guys. I mean, this would be a little bit of a mistake. I mean, who knows? We may get a good chance of a pullback, but I think the likelihood, the overall, the trend right now, definitely looking a little more bullish, guys. The market truly wants to just get a bounce right here. So I'm still looking for that little pullback here. I don't know if I'm going to be getting that though. Let's try a little patient. And by the way, guys, do not forget to type in exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on this giveaway. I'm going to be closing the entries right now, guys. In about a few minutes, I will do that. And do not forget to smash the like, everybody. Please take a few seconds of your time to do that. I really appreciate it. Definitely, truly means the world. And I thank you guys for doing that. We will call out the winner pretty soon here, guys. I am going to close the entries as we speak. Thank you so much. Love, everybody. You guys are amazing, and thank you guys obviously for being here as well every day with us on a Globex Asia 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. I go live every day, every night, and of course I go live in the mornings too, twice a week minimum at 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So if you guys want to see me go live in the mornings, trade live, just make sure to hit that notification bell. All right, guys, we get a little pullback here or down. This could be my chance to kind of try to step in. Could be my chance. Patiently waiting, guys. And if you guys don't mind, please take a few seconds to support. Click on that video, thumbs up if you guys don't mind doing that. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much, everybody. And I am going to close the entries now, guys. And of course, you have 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us as well. And if you're not, then I'm going to have to redraw to find a new home for the account. So everybody, good luck, guys. I'm just about to start now. I'm gonna close the entries. Tiger, is this a coincidence? But what is 67 you're talking about? The real looker. Yeah, my fellow traders from India. Kaisa hai bhai? Fellow traders from everywhere, man. We got a lot of traders from around the world. Incredible. The punch trader, what up, man? All right, fellow traders, man, we are now getting ready. Oh man, I've been talking all day. Incredible mochaccino. And this market's just not giving me a chance to kind of get into a trade as well. So we are getting a little bounce on the NKD, which is the Nikkei, right? So that seems pretty bullish. But I mean, ES trying to get a bounce, guys. We just kind of literally got everything just bought back, right back to where it is. NK trying to get a bounce. Oh, bounce in the NQ, everybody. Incredible mochaccino. And the crude oil getting a pullback here, 2%. The Bitcoin trying to get a bounce as well. Maybe we have some kind of a good news, guys. I mean, from an earnings standpoint, I don't know, man. Maybe we have a little bit of a leak, if you will. I don't know what it is, but this thing could actually keep going here. I don't wanna play this. I missed that move, and I don't want to be chasing this right here. Unfortunately, would have been really nice, but yeah, man, this would have been a really. I mean, the pullback was a very minor pullback here, just down into the 588. So I don't know. All right, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? We're getting pretty close. I'm gonna call out the winner now, guys. Once again, before you forget, please take a few seconds to smash the like, everybody. Really appreciate it, everyone. And now I'm just gonna call out the winner, guys. I am gonna close the entries. And thank you guys for being here with us every single night. And here we are, guys, getting pretty close. I'm gonna close the entries now. Good luck. I did close the entries. I wonder what this market's gonna do, though. Man, this market's just not giving me a chance to get in. Yeah, I missed that whole move. Now it's going up some. I don't know. Yeah, look at this bullish. Oh my goodness me. 373. We're at 636, guys. Man, that's pretty close to 300 points bounce tonight. Who would ever expected a bounce like that in this market, guys? Incredible. Should I try to long? I made, well, now if I try to long, obviously this market is gonna get a pullback here, right? So pretty wild to say the least, guys. Crazy. It keeps going, guys. Maybe should I just hop on a long here and just close my eyes and just go long? Like, what the hell? Let's try that, maybe.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
submitted.
filled.
Whatever.
Order
I've got 3
filled.
contracts, guys, man.
Order submitted.
I've been waiting all day, so
Order
maybe you might as
submitted.
well just kind of like hop on a ride. On a
Order
long, just
submitted.
hop on it, guys. Let's see what happens now. Maybe ride the momentum, you know what I mean? I don't know if you're gonna get the momentum though. I was waiting for this freaking pullback all day. So maybe get a little momentum push here. I don't know. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding. As soon as I entered long, this is what happens. I told you. Guys, man. Tiger FOMO. Yeah, you're right, man. Tiger FOMO is unreal. You see, hey guys, I've been patient for about an hour, right? We know that. We've been patient about an hour, and we said, hey, about an hour, I said, okay, you know what? If this is not going to give us a pullback, if it's just gonna keep going, might as well try to ride on a momentum to the upside. I don't think that momentum push is over yet, to be honest. So even though we get a little pullback here, I'm not like overly too concerned, right? So we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong, but this could be the top and we start to get a pullback here down. Maybe possible, but I mean, I wouldn't try to discount the fact that, you know, we are still having this nice little momentum push here to the upside, and I'm gonna try to long, right? I'm gonna try to long here on a pullback as well. So if you pull back here into the 610-ish, I'm gonna try to add and try to go low on that, right? A little bit more aggressively and put a little bit of a tight stop just in case. and try to see if you can actually get that nice little push here to the upside. And I would kind of look to see if you get a push back into 670. Sorry, not even 670. Get a bounce back into 700 area, right? I'm going to be looking for this bounce into 700, guys. So let's see what happens now, right? We may end up getting a pullback. I'm not even going to take a look at this market for now. Yeah, I went long. Yeah, momentum. Let's look for that momentum, guys. And if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong, you know. But the fact that I went long and we end up getting dumpster, I'll be mad. Yeah, I'll be mad. StockTiger is gonna get mad finally. Forced madness. All right, fellow traders, did I close the entries? I did close the entries because I'm going to call out the winner now. We actually came in pretty quick. I'm just a little concerned about this market getting a little pullback here, but I mean, whatever, right? Let this market do its thing. We will go ahead and call out the winner, guys. Right? I'm going to pick the winner, guys. Good luck, everybody. If you are here, part of this account giveaway. Yeah, that was fun. I'm still down. I'm still down about $70. I think we probably end up getting a bounce, in my opinion. I mean, this is a pretty solid looking bounce that we are getting right now. So I don't know if this is gonna be tough. I mean, if it's, you know what, it's okay. I'll get stopped out if we end up being the top there, right? So not really truly that concerned. I've only got 3 contracts, so all right, Mochaccino, everybody, it's that time of the day, right? So call out the winner, guys. Everybody, thank you so much for being here with us. And once again, we've been with over consistently over 700 viewers, concurrent viewers, guys, today. What a beautiful night, guys. So thank you so much, everybody, from Mochaccino for being here every single night with us. And then here we go, everybody. I'm gonna call out the winner, and we may try to do another one. We'll see if the time permits. Permito Inglés gracias. And you have 1 minute, okay? 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us, guys, okay? I'm gonna put a timer on. All right, we are getting a little pullback. Once again, I'm just gonna have to go to the washroom. I'll be right back. 1 minute. All right, that was a quickie. We are getting a pullback. This pullback is definitely a little bit of a problem. Yeah, man, I knew it. I mean, well, no, I lied. I didn't know that's. I mean, as soon as I entered, it started to get a pullback.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Do we get a bounce? I still kind of like it to the upside though. Now we have to really try to hold this.
Order submitted. Order
Filled.
Order submitted. Order
Filled.
Yeah, I've got 10 contracts. I'm looking for a balance in this market here, but we could also get a flush here too. But the fact that we kind of held and created the higher low throughout this entire process of a bounce right from the low makes me you know, I mean, until we crack underneath the 600, I'm gonna stay a little bullish on this, see what happens. I just need that little bit of a balance, guys, so I can actually take some contracts off the table on a bounce here, guys, man. At least back into the 640s. We're getting pretty close to that right here, so this could be an important level. We could flush it down, we could get a bounce. It's kind of 50-50 at this point, leaning more a little bit to the upside though. I mean, this may try to shake out some weaker bulls. That probably includes StockTiger as well, we'll see. The momentum kind of fading a little bit. Yeah, but that kind of pissed me off a little bit that I had to find the top there, especially when I was kind of waiting for about an hour, right? I was waiting for about an hour for a pullback and obviously not get it, right? So I kind of thought maybe get a little nice momentum push, but finally it shit to bed. Yeah, I'm down quite a lot. It's gonna be important now. Let's see if we kind of hold. I'll re-break it down. It looks like we are breaking down, guys. It looks like we are breaking down, but again, every time it looked like we are breaking down, we got a balance, right? So, oh, I hit myself sometimes with just stuff like this.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
All right, I will exit this trade if we have a follow through here to the downside, of course.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
That's it. That's all I got now. Yeah, any push down, I'll exit my trade. Fucking, I knew it. I knew it, man.
Order filled.
Order
I knew
filled.
it.
Order
I
filled.
knew this dirty
Order filled.
press section
Order submitted.
with the
Order
stuff
Order
like that.
filled.
Order
filled.
submitted. Order
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. At least I'm back to break even now.
Order
Holy
canceled.
mochaccino!
Order canceled.
Unreal.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, I'm gonna have a hard stop here. Stop
Order submitted.
right at the. Hold on 1 second, guys.
Order
Wait,
canceled.
1 second, everybody. Trying to figure something out right now. Scrambling
Order
here, guys. I'm
filled.
gonna take down. I'm gonna take one more off the table if I can.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Ah! What the heck, man?
Order filled.
Wrong contracts.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, got 2 contracts.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my god. Yeah, I messed up. Anyways, I'm out. That was... Yeah, I kept the contract size. I kind of got a little mixed up. That's fine. Well, let's just go back to our picking the winner, guys. But at least I'm back to break even. Holy man, that was well, I already exited my trade, so we'll see. That was a pretty nasty one, to say the least. All right, guys, I'm gonna pick the winner. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are part of this, everybody, thank you so much once again for being here. All right, picking the winner. 3, 2, 1, let's go! All right, 7 Warman. How do I pronounce this? 7 Warman. You got 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us. 7 Warman. 7 Warman. 7 Warman. 7 Warman is here or no? We're gonna find out in about 52 seconds. Seven Warman is not here. He's not here. I can't see. 7 Warman is not here. I don't think he's here. Is he here? I don't think he's here. Yeah, he's not here. We're just gonna find a new winner now, guys. All right. Is that what it is? We're gonna find a new winner. 7 Warman is not here. Yeah, he's not here, man. I can't see him. Just kidding. By the way, congrats to 7 Warman. You are the man. You are the winner here tonight, everybody. We got a Tech Profit Trader winner, 50K account, Mr. 7 Warman. Congrats once again for being a champion. I'm gonna have to have you DM me once obviously the stream is over, right? DM me, send me a friend request, and I'll take care of your account. Not tonight, but tomorrow. But I need you to DM me and send me a friend request as well today, so I can go ahead and take care of your account, okay? And then we could do another one, by the way. How about that, guys? Is it too late to do that? And we're gonna do a different one. We're gonna do Apex account, guys. We'll do Apex account. Let's try to have some fun. I mean, always Sunday night, it's a beautiful night, you know what I mean? It's like a fresh new trading day of the week, guys. Like, you know what I mean? Let's do one more. We'll do Apex account. right? So if you are the winner of the Apex account, you have 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us. Okay. Wow, look at that nasty pullback here, guys. Holy mochaccino, you kidding me, bro? Hold on 1 second, guys. This is a little bit of a mochaccino pullback here. I don't know, man.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order
Alright, guys, I'm gonna
submitted.
have a hard
Order
stop here.
submitted.
I went short, guys. I went short. I'm gonna take
Order
one off the table
submitted.
right here very quickly if I can.
Order filled.
I'm down to 3 now.
Order
And
canceled.
yeah, I don't know, man. I'm gonna have a hard stop here.
Order submitted.
Right at the 6:30. I tried to take one more
Order
off the
Order
table as well.
filled.
Down to 2 now.
Order canceled.
All right, guys. I'm short now with 2 contracts. I'm gonna have a stop at the break even, guys. Man, this mochaccino pullback is unreal. We'll see now what happens. If I get stopped out at the break even, I'm totally okay with that. Let's see if we get a little bit of a flush down.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
All right, guys. I went 4 again. I
Order
added a
sub-
few more.
Order canceled.
My stop here is gonna be right at the 620 area, guys. Sorry, no, I lied. 625. That's where my hard stop's gonna be, and I'm gonna be looking for that little push down, guys, if we can. Let's see, guys. Or are we gonna hold this area 592? We could end up holding this too, but I'm gonna be looking for that little push down. Let's see, guys. Forget it. I'm giving myself a lot of room here, by the way. Right, I'm giving myself a lot of room. And by the way, guys, we will go ahead and do our Apex account giveaway. So please take a moment to type in !Tiger, of course, to give yourself the ticket. I opened the entries for Apex. Apex is any account size eval, right? Guys, I'll exit this trade. I'll exit this
Order
trade.
filled.
I'm up, but I'll exit that trade, guys. So we got another account giveaway. That's gonna be Apex account. Okay, Apex account giveaway happening right here, right now. I love the Sunday nights, guys, man. I love Sunday night. Love giving back to the community as well. So, and thank you guys for being here, of course, with us every single night. Yeah, so far it's not a bad day. I mean, it could have been a lot better, but I mean, I'm satisfied with how I ended up trading on this. You know, I kind of manage my risk a lot better, so I kind of like it. All right. !Tiger, of course, guys, to give yourself a chance to participate on this giveaway. All right, and good luck, everybody, man. Good luck, everybody. And if you're new here, please not forget to smash the like, everybody. If you guys are new here, I'm out of my trade now. I'm out of my trade, and I'm gonna be looking for some I don't know, a new trade setup that may play out. For now, though, honestly, I kind of prefer to kind of I kind of like this setup for a pullback, but I'm gonna try to
Order submitted.
I'm gonna
Order
try to short
submitted.
on a pop here, guys, if we get a pop here.
Order submitted. Order
All right, so I'm gonna
submitted.
try to look for a little bit of a balance, and then maybe
Order submitted.
look for that to be
Order
rejection
canceled.
and give us that nice little fall
Order
tricks and then
submitted.
move here to the downside. We'll see what happens, guys. I will try to stay a little patient. If we end up getting a pullback now and just flush it down, then I guess it is what it is. You know, I've tried, but if we end up getting a pullback now without filling my orders, I'm you know, I'm okay with it. I'm okay. StockTiger's okay. He is okay. Thank you once again. Thank you for your subscription, everybody. And thank you guys for taking a few seconds of your time to smash the like, everybody. Thank you so much. And thank you, obviously, guys, for being here with us every single day. I am trying to short on a pop here, guys. Man, look at this bounce, guys. Hold on. I'm going to have to exit that trade, guys. This bounce is unreal. I'm going to have to exit that trade.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm not sure what I did there. It's okay. I'm not sure what happened. I kind of got mixed up with the contract size, and I just completely exited the trade because I didn't want to mess it up. Yeah, better exit now before I'm sorry. Before I feel sorry. Ibra Kara, what is up, man? All right, so hey, man, it looks pretty bullish, right? I mean, the pullbacks are being bought right now. The pullbacks are being bought again. I don't know. So far we're kind of holding, guys. So far we're kind of holding. We're far away from the EMA, sorry, the VWAP though. So at some point, I think we got to get some kind of a pullback to kind of get pretty close to the VWAP retest, right? So we'll see how this thing kind of plays out, but it's I think it's not a good idea to try to long or try to short this level here. Yeah, this is right in the middle of the chop zone, so either yeah, I mean the bulls and the bears, I think will try to take some kind of control here at this level. It looks like the leading more towards the bulls trying to take some control here, guys. And I'm trading. Looking good for the bulls. So far, it does look like good for the bulls. We'll find out. I mean, again, I mean, the volume is just not there. You know what I mean? The volume is just not there, and we are getting a bounce. So it's, you know, we could just flush it down for all you know. Once somebody steps in with a big volume, right? Big order, it's gonna be boop, down all the way. So we could get a nasty pullback here for all you know. We're kind of hitting that a very important level now, 646 to 660 area. I think that's going to be huge. You know, to get above that, we got to get some nice little volume kind of step in, and then maybe that could probably end up taking us back into 25,700 area for all you know, and we'll be back in the green, guys, by doing that. Yeah, I mean, we could do that, you know, that will put us back in green in this market. So let's take a look at silver here while we are waiting for this market to do its thing. The silver is getting a pullback here. What a nasty silver. Keep in mind, I want to remind everybody and remind myself that StockTiger is not trading silver anymore going forward. That's the plan for now. So I'm not trading silver anymore going forward, because as much as I make, I also end up losing too. So I'll be very honest, and that's what it's been for the last 30 days. So I think I'm almost kind of better off to stay away from silver, and that's what I'm going to do. And that's what I said in the video too. I am going to stay away from silver altogether, and I will be trading a gold time to time. It's not going to be very regular, but it's going to be primarily NQ and ES going forward, and then obviously time to time it's going to be micro gold, and I'm okay to do that, right? So I think this is going to keep me a lot more consistent throughout the entire year. And this journey is going to be a lot smoother, if you will. And right, it's going to get me to the right trajectory right now based on what I kind of see. So then I can start to see some pretty consistent level of payouts and kind of control my expenses and not go through roller coaster days, you know what I mean, just because you're trading silver. So, you know, on good days, you're going to have a great day with silver. Don't get me wrong. You're going to make $10,000. You're going to make $30,000 for all you know of trading silver. But, you know, one bad day, you're going to end up losing all your accounts. So you want to be doing that? I don't know. For me, I don't want to be in that state. So I'm going to just cut it and just throw it out the window and just start fresh again. I have, you know, when I started this journey, I started off with the ES. I'm the ES trader. Yeah, I used to, yeah, so I got into a lot of SPY options trading, right? Not even QQQ. It was primarily SPY. SPY options is what I did in the past before I got into the PROPFIRM journey. And then as soon as I got into the PROPFIRM journey, I started trading ES right at the start. And everybody else was trading QQQ. Sorry, not QQ. Everybody else was trading NQ. I was like, it's too fast for StockTiger. And then when I got into the habit of trading NQ, I'm like, you know what? ES is a little bit too slow for StockTiger now. So I kind of stopped and I started trading NQ because he was making a bigger moves. And those days I was kind of like, I could trade only during Asia. Right, Asia was probably the 70 to 80% of the time I was trading Asia, and in order for me to make some money, I had to get into NQ trades. As you guys know, right, ES would not move at all during Globex, right? So it was kind of really tough. So I ended up flipping into NQ, and that's when everything started to get better and better and better. And pretty much NQ became my bread and butter, right? And ES was kind of like a back burner. I would just kind of watch ES, but not really get into trades. But now I'm willing to trade back into ES, but it's not going to be like, proportion would be like 70% NQ and 20% ES and 10% gold, and silver is 0%. So going forward, there's no silver in my dictionary. So, but I will watch the silver though, don't get me wrong, but I'll be an observer. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Killer 89. Oh shoot, guys, we are getting a pullback here. We got a rejection off that 620, 630 area. I'm gonna try to. Oh man,
Order filled.
Order filled. Order
hey
filled.
guys. Oh my god.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted.
Guys, I shorted this.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I showed it, guys. I showed it right now
Order
with
filled.
10 contracts. I'm down to 7 now, down to 6.
Order filled.
Holy mochaccino,
Order
man. What a
submitted.
perfect entry there.
Order
I mean, it
filled.
could have been a better entry, but I mean, that's like a confirmation entry, right?
Order.
So,
Order filled.
guys, I'm down to 4 now, down to 4.
Order
Order
filled.
Guys,
filled.
down to 3,
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
down to 2, down to
Order.
Order
1,
filled.
down to 1 last mochaccino into the view up, guys. That's it.
Order submitted.
Let's get a little pullback here down into
Order
the
submitted.
view up. And that's my final take, mochaccino. Stag Viber, thanks for being a member. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much, guys. Big shout out to Stag Viber. I thank you so much, brother, for being a member. Really appreciate it, guys. I mean, thank you everybody for your support to the channel, to the stream, and thank you guys obviously for being here every day with us as well. And thank you for smashing that like, everybody, so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Once again, one last time, a big shout out to Stag Viber for being a member as well. Thank you so much. What a great night, guys. What a great night. We are banking here today. I'm gonna trail my stop to break even, guys. Big shout out to Stag Viber again for being a member. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it, brother, and everybody else. Oh, guys, man, what a nice little move, guys, man. Holy mochaccino, that pullback is unreal. Let's try to see if we can actually get a nice little pullback here, guys, man. A few $100, I mean, on each of my accounts during the Asia session. I think that's pretty good. I'll take that any single day, guys. I'll take it. I'm gonna turn my stop back into the 548, guys. We are back into the VWAP. If we can hold this, I think we flush it all the way down. Back down to South Korea. Well, that's not a good joke. I'm sorry, man. I tried, but did not turn out to be a good joke. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, 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 sorry. Forgive me, please. Please. Yeah, what a nice call there, man. I think this could, yeah, man. What a nasty pullback there, guys. We broke underneath that very important key. Can we not get a bounce? We could get a bounce. I mean, don't get me wrong. We are pretty overextended to the downside now, but I mean, this could, like, I don't know, man. We could get one more leg here pretty quickly, but what a nasty pullback. Did we get some kind of news from Iran? Maybe DT just said maybe we thought we were having a good conversation, but maybe that wasn't accurate. You know, I think Iran has to, you know, they've got to do a lot better than now in order to stop this war, right? Maybe, I don't know, something's got to happen here. Or what a nasty pullback here, guys, man. This could keep going. And let's take a look at the NKD. NKD is not really pulling back as much. Let's take a look at the gold, man. Gold is, oh my mochaccino, man. What is up with this market? Like, what is up, everybody? We fill the gap, we punch it down, and we gotta punch it up. Bounce, pull, bounce, pull, bounce, pull, bounce, pull. Oh my god. I'm trading. Hello, StockTiger is trading, guys, man. This is unreal. We are making some good trades here, man. We are making some good trades. StockTiger is winning today, as always. As always. Wow, this keeps going, guys, man. I could just kind of hold this. I mean, I only got one contract. I mean, imagine if this was one mini. It would have been really nice. Wow, look at this pullback. Guys, what is going on in this market, everybody, man? This is unreal, man. Yeah, I'm trading. F90, really? That's nice, man. Great, man. If you guys caught this moves, congrats, everybody. I mean, both bulls and the bears could have made money, right? I mean, easily. So it doesn't really necessarily have to be just the bulls making money here today. Everybody's making money. Small monies, big monies, whatever it may be. Everybody's kind of making, whether you're bullish, bearish. Everybody had an opportunity, right? Now is an opportunity for the shorts to kind of take a stab here, try to capitalize on that move to the downside. But the bulls had a chance for about 2 hours. And now the bears kind of getting their moment. And yeah, that's what it kind of looks like. Well, I'm short, guys. I'm still short on this. Incredible, man. We may try to fill the I mean, we may try to pull back and try to retest the swing low here, guys, down into the 380. We grab a whole bunch of liquidity, guys, in that 640. That was a lot of liquidity that we had to grab in order to push it down back into where we are now. We literally get back so much in this market, right? So obviously, that's a lot of fair value gap in that 600 below, right? That's a big fair value gap. As you guys can see, this is all the fair value gaps that we had, right? And we obviously try to...
Stop filled.
Oh, I got stopped out right there, guys. We grabbed a whole bunch of liquidity in this level here to give us that nice little distribution back down. And we could not hold. We broke it underneath the VWAP. And now we are pushing down. And obviously we have a break in the structure, right? So that's what it is. I have nothing truly there now. I mean, Now I'm kind of a little neutral, to be honest, but we'll see. Do we get a bounce right at this level? We could, but I mean, you know, it's like I'm not too overly optimistic at this point after this nasty pullback here. We just gave back 150 points, guys. We are at 640. We're down into 515, so that's literally about 140 points pullback here. Come on, guys. I mean, this is unreal. But what the funny thing is, though, the gold is moving exactly the way the NQ is moving. I don't know if you guys noticed that. So I'm like, what the heck is going on right now? Or am I looking at the wrong chart? Yeah, I'm looking at the gold chart on the right hand side. We're getting a lot of fakes as well. Yeah, just like what Black Mamba just said. The Lucid Flex, Lucid Pro. Oh man, I haven't traded Pro for a while now. But you got DLL on the Pro account, right? On a 25K account, you probably have a DLL. And that would be at $700. If you breach that, you get a soft breach. And you're not allowed to trade anymore for that single day session. And I think you have to trade for, I think, what, 5 days to get to a payout on a Pro. I kind of like the Flex way better than the Pro, by the way. Anyways. Yeah, man, what a roller coaster here today, man. This market is moving pretty wild, pretty crazy, right? It's been going up and down all throughout the day. There's no moment where it's kind of sitting there, stall for about an hour. You know what I mean? It's definitely a very exciting session here today. I kind of like the price action that we are getting, right? We are moving up and down pretty nicely. So this is definitely a good day to kind of be trading both funded and evals. I mean, it doesn't really necessarily have to be just the eval accounts. I mean, the market is pretty nice and clean. We're getting some directional move, and then obviously we get some little fake, but then these moves are pretty wild, right? It's a minimum 100 points range, so I think it's all completely okay to be trading funded accounts at this stage, and that's exactly what I've done right now. So I'll take it. It's fine. Pretty crazy wild moves though. For Globex, for Asia standards, I think it's pretty wild, right? This is definitely moving way more than what we had in the morning. This is kind of really setting a tone for how it's going to be for the rest of the day tomorrow, right? I do kind of expect to see a much bigger volatility moving into New York, guys. Be careful if you guys are trading, because I think it's going to try to wreck some accounts, right? So part of my plan moving into February, which we are already here, I'm gonna try to downsize my position and try to be more, I would say, you know, say 70% of the time I'm gonna try my level best to trade micro. And even though it's gonna eat up a lot of my commission, it's okay. But I would rather be in micro trade and make a couple $100 on the winning side than lose an account if I'm down. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try my level best to do that throughout the entire process for the month of February. And as I feel a lot more confident, as I'm getting to a lot more winning trade, I'm gonna try to, you know, do a little more of NQ trades, a mini contract trade per se. But until we get there, I'm gonna try to make a slow little grind and use the micro to kind of scale in and out of the trades. That's yeah. Oh, Kunicho, man, you're up 16.5s. Nice. You guys are banking here today. Well, I hope we didn't have a lot of damage for a lot of you guys, man. I hope a lot of you guys are having a great night, because definitely this market tonight presented us with a lot of opportunity to trade. Make some good profits, make some good trades here today. Now it's kind of sitting there idle, but I mean, we had a big move down, right? We had a big move down. As you guys can see, we had a big move down. That's over 300 points down. We had a 300 points pump back up again with nonstop, just keep going up. And we also had now 200 point pull back here down, and we are trying to hold this level now. But so it's pretty wild. Incredible, guys, incredible. Guys, don't forget to type in !Tiger. Again, this is for Apex account giveaway. We will make it happen. We'll do it tonight, guys. Another giveaway before we call it a day. Guys, if you are new here, do not forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys want to support the stream, definitely gives me that motivation to continue streaming live in front of my fellow traders every day. It's my honor, of course, to do that. I thank you guys once again, everybody. Love you guys. All right, fellow traders. Once again, and also one of the reasons why I'm doing another Apex account giveaway here today. Number one, of course, we got 90% off, still ongoing. Apex 90% ends on the 4th, so we have a few more days to go. And the 90% off, we don't know when it's going to come back, right? So just make sure you capitalize on that move with the 90% off, and that's below $20 on an account. And number two, the reason why we're doing this is because we want to celebrate our fellow traders banking payouts for the first time ever. Also getting payouts after a big struggle for many weeks and many months, guys. A good example is today we got Monica requested $5,000 here today, and I know how much she struggled. I am so happy for Monica for taking that big fat payout after struggling for so many weeks and months, guys. I mean, I am so happy for her. And also we got a lot of fellow traders taking payouts for the first time, and they DM me as well. And yeah, I mean, it's just, you know, it's just mind-boggling me that you know, I kind of feel like, you know, sometimes I feel like, oh, I think he or she is gonna give up this journey. I'm like, no, try not to, and then it's like, boom, you know, like a couple weeks later, it comes with a big fat payout. You know what I mean? Incredible, guys. Great stuff, everybody. I mean, if you are in that journey now, you're kind of struggling and you're like getting really mad and pissed. I mean, I myself had a pretty bad month, right? January, so don't feel too bad, guys. So we have Tiger. YouTube went to commercial when you started to explain. Since I hit 1250, do I wait until trading Monday? What do you mean? So if you have $1250, on your listed account, I don't think you should be trading anymore. Do you have enough trading days? I think I can't remember exactly how many days you have to trade on your pro account, because it's been a while since I traded the pro account, to be honest. I'll take a look at it myself. I'll let you know. So if you're on a pro account, so obviously your target's 1250, but you also have to trade for how many days? I can't remember exactly how many days you gotta trade. Oh, by the way, there's no DLL, so that's good for 25k accounts. Pass. Oh yeah. So okay. So 25k, you gotta pass in one day. You should be able to request an upgrade now. I don't think you should be trading if you are up 1250. If you go to the dashboard, you should be able to upgrade now. And if it's not there, you got to send an email to list it and find out why you can't upgrade. It's instant, right? Usually when you get pretty close to, well, not pretty close, when you get to the profit target, you should be able to upgrade your account right away. So if it's not there yet and it's been like over an hour, then there's a little problem. Okay, so I don't think you want to be trading that account for sure if you're already up 1250. Yeah, it's normally instant, right? So that's what it is, guys. We get a little bounce here, 536. on this market, which is looking pretty good, nice to the upside, but this could be a little fake to the upside, and we may try to roll over down. Yeah, no problem, man, no problem. D sister, congrats for passing that account, man. Great job, great job. That's awesome, that's awesome. And by the way, yeah, my Discord link, I'll share it again. You guys are asking for the link. I don't know. I'll share it again. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead because I think it's that time of the day. It's 8:30. I'm gonna have to get a little less for New York cash. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna call out the winner now. Just give me a few minutes while I set this up. Where's that again? Where's that bad boy? All right, there we go. All right, fellow traders, are you ready? I am gonna call out the winner, guys. I'm gonna close the entries, of course, the first thing. The market getting a little bounce, the gold try to hold. We'll see, guys. There's a lot of big moves here today. The market is definitely not doesn't feel like Globex anymore. It's weird. I don't know if you guys noticed the same, but pretty looks pretty wild. Big moves we are getting in this market, so we're trying to hold. I think both gold and the NQ trying to hold this level, right? We just got above the VWAP on the NQ, so let's see if we kind of try to hold this, right? To just quickly get over NQ on a larger time frame on a 1 hour chart, we got a little bit of an indecisive doji candle, right? So this could be anybody's guess. We have to get above 5, I would say we have to get above 566, and that 566 has to hold to be a lot more bullish for a bounce back higher and retest the high at 640, and maybe continue moving to the upside back into the 700, right? The 700 is where our ultimate target is, so we'll see. It does look like we're trying to hold this, but we'll wait to see now. We have to get above 560. That would be somewhere here. We got to get above that, and that's got to hold, right? So I'm gonna be looking for this area to kind of hold and get above that. With a strong bounce, with a nice little volume kind of stepping in as well. So we got to get above this to feel a lot more bullish, right? We may try to bounce into and try to roll over down as well. So from New Zealand, hey, thanks brother for being here. Yeah, man, we are truly global, right? We are truly global. We got traders from across the world. Yeah, so we're gonna have to wait to see if we get a bounce. Yeah, you know what? I wouldn't mind trying to go long here, to be honest, because we're kind of trying to hold the VWAP, but we could also roll over down. This could be a little bit of a head and shoulders. I don't know if you guys noticed that. You know what I mean? I'll show it to you guys, man. This could be a little bit of a on a 1 minute chart, right? On a 1 minute chart. Well, we got a neckline here, right? We got a neckline. We got a big fat neckline there, and maybe we have a little bit of a left shoulder, and maybe we have a right shoulder kind of forming here as well. And then what would happen now is that we may try to give a little bit of a fake push up, and then we get a big fat pullback here, and that would be the first initial crack of that head and shoulders pattern, right? I kind of see this one. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but this could be in the play, guys. Or we may not even get a bounce and just flush it down to not give us a chance to get into it straight. Oh, there we go, guys. We're getting a little pullback here. There, look at that. Wasn't that something? Oh my god, guys. We caught that. We just did not execute that trade, but I kind of smelled something like that. Pretty incredible. Oh, you caught that short? Zero cool, man. Look at that, bro. You went in pretty quickly, man. Oh my god, I should have got into that. Well, on hindsight, but I mean, I did see something of that nature. The head and shoulders kind of playing out, but again, yeah, I missed that move, unfortunately. Now if I try to short this bad boy, it's gonna be a little mistake. Now I know what you guys are gonna go. Oh, StockTiger found. If I try to long here, so if I try to short this now, if I get caught, if you get a bounce here, then what's gonna be? StockTiger finds a perfect entry. The real look in the house. What is going on, brother? You just lost an account. Holy smokes, man. Bro, man, I'm sorry to hear that, man. What happened there? Guys, man, we are making some really nice calls. You know, I have a really good feeling about February, you know. I told you guys, man, I'm taking a little slow. And I'm being a lot more patient with lower size, you know, with lower size. Trading, not trading silver, you know. I think it's, yeah, geez. And I did overtrade as well in the month of February, in the month of January. And then the reason why I overtraded is because I was trying to get it back again. You know what I mean? And the more I try to get it back, of course, you guys know the answer, right? You guys know what the result's gonna be. It never really ends very well if you try to get it back and you try to keep trading because you want to get it back, right? So gold went over my stop loss for more than 10 seconds, and then my stop loss was not filling. It wasn't filling, really. That's weird. Yeah, we're seeing a little bounce, guys. I mean, I don't know if this bounce is gonna be a sustainable bounce. I mean, the fact that we got a big fat rejection of the 640 and it's kind of creating that lower high and giving us a little bit of a bearish head and shoulders kind of playing out makes me, you know, makes me feel like, you know, we've got some more ways to go here, right? So I think we try to retest the low here, guys. I mean, we try to do that. I think that's what it's going to try to do here. Back down. This could be the swing low, right? The swing low at 380. We've got... and then maybe that could give us that fall through extended move here to the downside. And, you know, create that little bit of a... you know, panic in the market. And that could kind of flush it down even more, then potentially back down into, I would say, and that could kind of try to take us down into 250s. Yeah, 250s could be the place where it wants to maybe pull back into. Yeah, it could be 250 before we try to get some kind of a bounce in this market, guys. I mean, so maybe a little bit of a dead cat bounce and maybe that kind of fade down. That's also gonna kind of give us that little rejection. We could try. You know, maybe you try to get a bounce back into the 500 area and maybe give us a nice little fall through extended move down. I don't think I want to be trading these accounts that I just made, so I don't know. All right, so we're getting pretty close, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and do our let's take a look at the gold. Yeah, man, what a parabolic move in the gold. Yeah, the gold is definitely. So like I said again, I mean, this year, if I want to have like the biggest year ever, right, in my trading journey, I think it's truly very important for me to kind of try to stick to my game plan, and that's with the NQ, right? So that's what I'm gonna try to do my level best to stick to the NQ, and you know, and all right, so hold on one second. So I'm gonna go ahead and do our Apex account giveaway now, guys. I'm gonna close the entry too. I'm gonna close the entries, guys, and let's go ahead and do our Apex account. And thank you everybody once again for being here. We are about to end. 5 runners will keep running with white stuffs. Oh, Blade Mamba, nice. Yeah, so we have a Lucid trader account, and that's 40% off right now, 40% off. And then Tradify 40% off as well. And then we got Apex 90% off, and we also have a giveaway here with Apex. And the 90% off ends in about a few days, just so you know. And the Bulanox 89% as well. And then and Take Profit Trader, of course, the bread and the butter, that's 40% off, and that continues through. I don't know when they're gonna end. They've had that for a while now. So 40% off and Take Profit Trader, and Apex 90% off. That ends in a few days. And we got Apex account giveaway. I'm gonna close the entries now. Everybody, once again, thank you guys for being here. It was a lot of fun here today, guys. Let's end the stream strong. And before we do that, I'm gonna call out the winner, guys. I'm gonna close the entries now. Good luck, everybody. Thank you once again. All right, fellow traders, I'm gonna pick the winner now, and you have 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us as well. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go, baby. This crypto, you have 1 minute, brother, to confirm that you are here with us. This crypto, are you here? You are here. You are not here. We don't know if you are here. You may be here. We'll find out. Oh, this crypto is here. Wow, that was pretty quick. Well, congrats, this crypto. You are the winner here with the Apex account giveaway. Just don't forget to send me a friend request and send me a DM as well on our Discord, right? And our Discord link, I'm going to be sharing that again for you guys, fellow traders. If you guys want to hang out with one of the best Discord available in the PROPFIRM space, here it is. And that's it. I'm gonna all right, guys, we are getting a little bounce on the market, guys. 498 right now. I'm still looking for that little pullback. maybe get a little more bounce and then maybe ends up getting a pullback. We'll this is definitely a very interesting price action, guys. Getting a nice bounce on the gold, and the NQ is having a little bit of a tough time to try to get a bounce, guys. We are right underneath the VWAP 2. We are getting it's a pretty interesting price action. We got a lot of fundamental news. We also have earnings coming out, a big earnings next week as well, with a lot of news events, right? With Iran, with tariff, with Fed. We got a lot of jam-packed news with earnings. And yeah, I think the market will continue to be very volatile, you know, in the next few days. And I guess for the rest of the month as well. So if you're asking me, are you overall a little bearish or bullish in the market? I would say I'm a little more leaning bearish, right? Overall, the market, I'm leaning February would be the red month, in my opinion. I like, you know, that's just my call, my take. And then I think we roll over into March with the red in February. My initial thought was we get a little bit of a bounce early February, and then that little bounce kind of makes everybody feel like, oh, you know, the market, yeah, the pullbacks are being bought, you know what I mean? And then all of a sudden you get this big fat dumpage that's gonna kind of give it that a bigger pullback, and of course everybody kind of is at denial, and we grind down, and we turn into a red February, and that kind of roll over into March as well. But we'll find out, guys, if we could get a bounce early in the month of February. We got Google earnings, we got Amazon earnings, right? We got Palantir, and we also have a big one, which is AMD earnings all next week. Every day we got some big earnings as well, so pretty interesting week. It's gonna be tough. Yeah, and I go live in the mornings to New York, and not just necessarily just the Globex Asia. I go live in the mornings too as well. I'm going to be doing that on a regular basis, at least twice a week, right? During New York, and we'll be every day with you guys on the obviously the every night 5:30. It's always been like that, and we'll continue doing just that, you know. And yeah, here we go, guys. I mean, the market is now I think the market kind of slowed down. We went 3 trades all in green. I'll take that any day. You know, a couple $100 during Asia market. I think that's a pretty good deal. I'll take that, and hopefully I'll try to continue that streak into tomorrow and for the rest of the week, and see how it goes. And we'll see you guys back on a Monday afternoon. Globex Asia, guys. Congrats to the winners today. Tech Profit Trader and Apex account giveaway winners. Congrats to you guys. And I obviously want to thank everybody, my fellow traders from around the world, and thank you guys for being here today. It was definitely a lot of fun. Appreciate it too much. Mucho gracias, everybody. My fellow traders from Brazil, Mexico as well. Everybody, will see you guys back tomorrow night at 5:30 p.m. Until then, everyone, have a great rest of the night. Take care of yourself, guys. It's only Sunday night. We still have a long ways to go. Keep your energy. Save it for the big mucho day tomorrow, guys. A big day. I think the market's going to be crazy wild tomorrow, in my opinion. So anyways, fellow traders, God bless everybody, you and your family. Thank you so much for being here every single night, guys. We'll see you guys back tomorrow night. Take care and good night. God bless and peace. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.